Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Good morning.
yes. What we had learned? What we had learned?
Time.
Time. What we had learned in time? What we had learned in time? What we had learned?
One.
Then
Hour.
then yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, this is English class, ma'am.
No, maths class. Who's that asking?
Akhil Utwanman.
Why? It has been sent now, maths class. And I'm asking what we have learned. Children are telling time. Now I will not admit anyone. Okay, done. Okay, we had learned what is time. Okay, we had learned. Okay, a clock tells us the time. What it tells? A clock tells us the time. Okay, the face of the clock is called dial. The face of the little recap. The face of the clock is called dial, and watch, what we wear in the wrist is called watch, and what we hang on the walls are called clocks, because the clocks are having different shapes. You observe that. Okay. It has got two hands. As I told you, it has got two hands. Okay, it has got two hands. The longer hand is the minute hand, and the shorter hand shows the hour hand. The clock of the this is divided into 12 bigger division. Okay, you can see 1 to 12 numbers as I told you. So they're all together 60 division on dial. Okay, now this is called the dial. Clock, know what it is written on 60, as I told you, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, table of 5. Table of 5. So it is all 60 divided in that 12, that is 5 minutes. So 5 smaller divisions between each number. Okay, each number, that is table of 5. So it is divided, it is on a dial. Then the time taken by the minute hand to move from one small division to the next hand. Now for example, now it is 4 o'clock. This is 4:05, 4:10, 4:15, 4:20, 4:25. Even the small hand goes on moving. And 4:30. That is, now we divided half there. 30. Then the small hand also keeps moving. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And the time becomes where the hour hand, the small hand moves. At what time? 5. We started at 5. Okay. So the minute hand completes one round. Okay. The minute hand, that is the longer hand, that is minute hand, it completes round of 60 minutes. You saw now 5, 10, 15, 20. Huh? I counted now 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 50, 45, 50, 55, 60. So the time taken by that moves, it completes the 60 minutes. So then our hand takes 1 hour to move from one to the next number. That I from 4 to 5. Now it became 5 o'clock. Now simple way. You should learn in the dial it has divided into 60 and 5 minutes it makes a division. Okay. Then whenever you see a long hand on 12 and the small hand on a number, that is the time 5. Now what is the time? What is the time now? What? Yes. What do you observe here in our time? The hands. What do you observe in the clock? Huh? Yes? 11 o'clock. Yes. Yes, but what do you observe? Tell me about those hands. What do you observe? 1 minute. Anmita, Anmita, your voice is always tell clearly. Anmita, can't hear you. I don't know, some disturbance is there. Okay, anyone else? I'm not getting Anmita. Yes, Vihan. Okay. Okay. The minute hand will be always at 12 and the hour hand will be the time where it is there on the those 12 numbers and it becomes that hour. 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, see even 12 o'clock, the hour hand, that is smaller hand, will be on 12 and the minute hand also will be 12. Now this is the easy way. Okay, 12 is the with the minute hand and the number which smaller hand is there, that is our hand, that is the time. This is the easy way, but you should know that is divided, this is 12 numbers in the dial, it is divided by 60 divisions in all, that is of 5 smaller division, okay, table of 5. So they're all together 60 division on a dial. So the minute which completes 160 round, it goes to the another hour, that it makes 1 hour complete. 60 minutes, it goes, then only it completes 1 hour. Now 12 o'clock it is, right? Okay. Now it completes it 12, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And the time, see, it completes that 60 minutes and that makes a 1 hour. And now what is the time? 1 hour. So, yes. Okay. Now tell me, in 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. Okay. In 1 day, how many hours are there? I said in 1 hour. 1 hour, 60 minutes. 1 day, how many hours are there? 24 hours. How? 12 and 12. Okay, if you add or 12 twos, that is 12 and 12, it becomes a noon, and again at 12 till midnight it becomes 24. So, 1 day is a 24 hours. One day has 24 hours. Okay, 1 hour has 60 minutes and 1 day 24 hours. Okay, and 12 o'clock at night is midnight. 12 o'clock is at midnight. Understood? Okay, and 12 o'clock in the day is called noon. Now in the noon, afternoon, it is 12 o'clock, it is called noon, and midnight it is called as midnight. 12 o'clock at night it is called midnight. Understood? So before the 12 o'clock, now we all say good morning. Yes, till 12 o'clock we wish good morning. What we wish? Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, till 12 o'clock. Sanvi, why late? I will not, if you are coming, it is disturbing me. Okay? So, till 12 o'clock we wish good morning. Then till afternoon, that is 12, after 12 o'clock, we start wishing till 4 o'clock good afternoon. Okay? Till 4 o'clock we wish good afternoon. Then after 4 till the evening, good evening. Then after 9 we say good night. 9 o'clock we say good night. Okay? So, understood this all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, first let me, because see, if you know the concept, you can do easily the textual work. So I'm clear. Now, if you have seen in your textbook, now what is AM and PM? Can anyone tell me what is AM and PM?
AM means good morning.
Huh?
AM means night. It means good afternoon.
AM means what?
Good morning. Ma'am, early morning.
Early morning. We used no 9 a.m. Now when we set the schedule, now maths class was at 9 a.m. What that AM stands for?
Early morning.
Nobody knows what stands for AM and PM? Okay. AM stands the time between midnight and noon. Okay, that is midnight. 12 o'clock to 12 o'clock. It is AM. We use AM. Okay. See, we use this. Have you seen? Have you seen that AM? It stands for anti-meridian. What it stands? Anti-meridian. And PM, that is small also we write PM. It stands for post meridian. Post meridian. AM stands for anti-meridian and PM stands for post-meridian. Okay? And the time between midnight and 12 noon, it's AM. We call it as AM. It is anti-meridian. AM means anti-meridian. And the time between noon and midnight is called PM, where PM stand for post meridian. Okay, understood all of you? AM means anti meridian and PM means post meridian. Okay, understood all of you? Understood? Okay. And what we write, okay? When we write the time in figures, what we write in the time in figures now 9 o'clock. This is 9 o'clock, no, 9 a.m. This is 9 a.m., right? What is this called?
9 o'clock.
What is two dots we put, no? It is 9 o'clock, I know. I'm asking, what is this two dot is called?
9 a.m.
Dot, I'm asking. Dot. 9 a.m. Okay, this is 00 we put. These two dots we put now when we write the time. When we write in figures, now I have written in figures, right? Now 9:30 a.m. These two dots, what it is called? Colon. What it is called? What it is called? Colon. COLON. What it is called? This called colon. These two dots we write this way is called as colon. In English grammar, once I will tell you what you'll write in your English fair notebook. That I will do in English class work. So this two dot we use it as a colon. Understood? Remember, all this is the base. Till you learn all, you should know what it is colon, how we are writing in the figures. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay? AM is anti-meridian, PM means post-meridian, and what is two dots we has called as colon. What it is called? Remember, third standard. Yeah, if they ask you the question, third standard, you should remember. This is the knowledge ante-meridian. PM means post-meridian. You can write in one book which is important and keep it. And this for your knowledge. Third standard, fourth standard teachers will ask you what is AM means. You should know to answer now. So, ante-meridian. PM means post-meridian. And what is two dots? When we write figures in time, we put two dots. It is called as colon. Understood? Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Done? Okay. Okay. Now we will start with your textual part. Shivani wakes up at what is the time there in your picture? Write 6 o'clock. How you will write?
6 o'clock.
How you will write 6 o'clock?
Ma'am, first we write 6 and next O and next clock.
Okay? 6 o'clock in the morning. 6 o'clock. You can write AM because it's in the morning. Shivani wakes up 6 o'clock. Otherwise, you can write 6 O. Here, comma is with a clock. You have to write this way. Understood? Understood? 6 o'clock. Right there that way. It is written, just write 6 in your textbook.
Then, ma'am.
Done? Then she leaves for school at 7 o'clock. She eats her lunch in school at, see the time, what is that? What time she is eating lunch? Tell me the time now, R and at 11 o'clock. Okay. Then she returns,
11 o'clock.
yes, she returns from school at
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, right? 2 o'clock. Very good. So I am asking you, so you can read the time there shown in the clock and write. Right?
Then, ma'am.
She does her homework at 6 o'clock.
4 o'clock. 4 o'clock.
Okay? She eats her lunch at, no, sorry. She does her homework at 4 o'clock. Okay? Then she goes out to play at dash clock. What is the time there? 5 o'clock.
Ma'am, 8 number.
Still you are in that only. Who's that? 135. Starting of the lesson only. We now so far 2 periods we did the concept of time only. 135. Now turn to 136. Page number 136. She eats her dinner at dash clock. What is the time shown there? 8 o'clock. She goes to bed at dash o'clock. 9 o'clock. Okay? Yes. Now draw the R hands to show the time. Okay? 12 o'clock. See, as I told you, it is all 10 o'clock. And there it is. One example I will show you. I will draw and show you. Draw the R hand to show the time. This is your, they have given in a square or rectangle shape. 12. It will be exactly down. 9, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. And the center it will be dot. Okay? Now, the big hand is at 12 o'clock. 12. Okay, the minute hand is at 12. And they are asking us 10 o'clock or 10. The two dots is called as colon, as I told you. Now, where the R hand, the small hand will be at which number? Okay, the R hand will be at 10 o'clock. Understood how to draw? Yes. Now let me clear. Yes. See, the 60 minutes it takes around makes a 1 hour. It completes at 60 minutes, becomes the 1 hour. And the smaller hand goes to the next number. Now once more I will show the hour hand. The long minute hand will, when it takes a round of 60 minutes and comes at 12 o'clock, and the small hand, that hour hand, moves to a number. Now for an example, now this is 2 o'clock. What is this?
2 o'clock.
Clock. Now, yes. Now tell me.
2 o'clock.
Yes. Now it is come, the long minute hand has come to 1. What is the time now?
2:10.
No, 1 to 2, 5. Then when it comes to 2, 10. Okay. When it comes to 3, 10, 20, 2:30, half an hour. Okay, this is showing the 2:30. It is showing in a half an hour. Okay, now it is, the minute hand moves to 7. What is the time now? 40, 45, 50, 2:55, and 2:60. So, what understood? Clear of? Yes, clear of writing a 1 hour and reading the hour time. All understood to read the hour time? Okay? Done. Now, next in your textbook, it is written 5 o'clock. Okay? 5 o'clock. Then, always the minute hand will come at 12 and the hour hand will be at the number. Now, 5 o'clock. Then, where the hour hand will be now? Where the hour hand will be? 5 o'clock, it is the time now. Okay? And when you draw, the minute the hand has to be longer than the hour hand. If you show the hour hand big and minute hand small, then it is wrong. Okay, understood all of you? Always when you write the time, when you draw the time, when you show the hand, the minute hand will be bigger and the hour hand will be smaller. Okay? When the exam time, or if you are doing in the textbook or the notebook, you should show the hour hand small and the minute hand longer. Is that clear all of you? Okay. So, yes. Now, yes. Now you can complete in the same way. See, reading and writing. Note the way we have written the hour. Okay, hour written 10 o'clock in the same as 10. The two dots are very important to separate hours and minutes. This two dot is colon. It is very important. Okay, to separate hours and minutes. Now it is 00 because we are reading hour time. Okay, we are reading 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. We are reading, so it will be after the two dots. It will be 0. But this two dot, that is colon, separates that which shows us the minutes. Now for an example, now it is time exactly. What is the time? Can anyone tell from your house?
9:30.
9:30. So 9:30. It separates the hour and the minutes. 9:30. Yes, 9:30. So it is 9:30. These two columns, these two dots, it's called as colon, separates the hour and the minutes. Now half an hour passed of that 9 o'clock. Okay, then it goes, it reads in seconds, it becomes 35. So it separates and shows the hour and the minute hand. That is this colon, these two dots shows it, separates it. Okay, understood? It is these two dots are very very important to separate hours and minutes. Hours and minutes. All understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it based all and small things, small things I'm telling you all, you should remember. AM is ante-meridian, PM is post-meridian. These two dots is called colon, and this colon, these two dots separates hour and minutes. It shows it's very very important. Okay, and the long hand is bigger, the minute hand will be longer, and the hour hand will be shorter. Always when you draw a clock, the minute hand should be longer and hour hand should be shorter. Did you understand, all of you? And the minute hand moves that 60 division, 60 minutes, it becomes that hour. Okay, understood the hour time? Now, in the same way, we write 5 o'clock as 5 o'clock, 2 o'clock or 5 o'clock. It is written in these words. Right here, 2 colons, that is 2 dots, 5 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So, how you will write? 2 dots, that is colon, 0, 0. Understood how to write hour time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now, 12.1, draw the hour and minute hands in the clock to show the given time. 7 o'clock is given, 2 o'clock is given, 5 o'clock is given, 6 o'clock is given, 8 o'clock is given, 100, that is 1 o'clock is given. So you all draw that is your homework. Page 136, 4 o'clock, you write that is 4 o'clock is written, this way you have to write 4. Page 136, page 4 o'clock it is shown in the clock, and the next it is showing 11 o'clock, so you have to write 11 o'clock. Page 36 I have done, see here, 4 o'clock, write 4 o'clock, and you have to write, when it is written, you have to write 4, 2 colon and 2 zeros. 11 it is written this way, you write 11, 2 dots, that is colon and 0, 0. Then page 136. All have done, right? Akil, write there. Akil, write.
I'm done.
All written? Yes, and
I'm done.
yes, and Smriti?
minute पहले कर दिया.
पहले नहीं, we shouldn't do it first only. As we learn, as we think what to do. Okay? Now, yes, 12.1. 12.1, you do that homework. And half, what time is it? That is page number 137. When the minute hand, I will just give you introduction. When the minute hand, the longer hand is half. Half round the clock at 6. The minute here is at 6. As I already told, the time is past, half past an hour. Half past an hour. 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 9:30. Just now you all said, no? Understood? Understood? So this half, yes, half past hour, we will, yes, half past hour hand you had learned in first standard. So little this was easy. More I told you about the clock, what all the system is. Now half an hour past we will learn in the tomorrow's class. Okay? Understood all of you? By the time
Yes, ma'am.
yes, by the time we finish 12.1 exercise.